Students are first going to generate a list of ideas that come to mind when they think about the topic. So, in this class, they're learning about the different seasons. So, we're going to go ahead and we're going to generate some of those topic ideas. So, students are going to grab the text box and they are going to type maybe spring, right? We're going to add fall. Students are then going to add winter, right? And then seasonal, maybe activities. We might even have our students do summer, right? We might have them add environmental changes. You can also have seasonal clothing. So again, students are just generating ideas about this topic and what they're able to kind of maybe even think about when it comes to that, right? Maybe there's seasonal foods. Sometimes there's weather patterns. And so now that we've gone ahead, and maybe another word for fall sometimes is autumn, right? So students might recall that information. So they're generating ideas right here, and they're adding them using those text boxes. The next thing that students are going to do is they're going to sort them. So now they're going to sort them into different categories. And so for here, I might go ahead and like put here's like all of the seasons, and then these ones are going to go more towards the outside of the page. So again, I'm going to add fall, I'm going to add summer, I'm going to move this one out, and then I'm going to bring spring down here, and then I'm going to bring winter. Okay, so now again, students are just kind of categorizing them where they're putting those central ideas in the middle, and then towards the outside is those tangible ideas. Once they do that, students are now going to go in and connect. Okay, so when they do that, you'll have your students, when they connect, draw connecting lines. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to grab my drawing tool and I'm going to go to fall with seasonal foods, right? And so some seasonal foods when it comes to autumn, and students can use the comment tool and they can actually record their voice, video, or even use text comments. So I'm going to go ahead and record my voice. When I think of autumn or fall, I really think of harvesting of crops, right? Leading to foods like pumpkins, apples, and different seasonal foods like that, maybe even corn. Okay. And then again, students can draw a line from summer and then they can again add their ideas on how this is connecting. Okay, so they're thinking about how are these related to one another. Maybe if I went into seasonal clothing, right? Students are going to draw this line right here and explain that connection and what they might wear when it's winter. Okay, so again, they're going in, they're drawing all of these different lines around here, explaining those connections and how they kind of relate. And then again, they're going to keep drawing lines. And then you can have them add in comments to really help explain their thoughts and ideas about that topic. And then next is adding that new idea, and they're going to expand, elaborate, and add to it. So again, once I have an idea here that's recorded, students can then type their elaboration in this box. So again, they're trying to extend and add to that initial idea that they had to make this even stronger to support their learning.